you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna tell you why I think Mr. Crappie Slab Shaker is the best starting fishing rod. This is a 2-piece fishing rod and it has a 5-to-1 ratio, which that means every time you give it a whole circle, it has spanned 5.1 times. So right here, every time you do a full circle like this, it means your line just went 5.1 times around it, if that makes sense. And I think it's a great beginner's fishing rod because I think it's inexpensive. It's $25, and it already comes with your, it's the fishing rod, the reel, and a pre-spool line, which is a 6-pound monofilament. And I've been using it to catch species like sunfish, small bass, some tilapias, and it has worked pretty good for me. Another reason, it's this line is actually pretty good, or at least when I have used it, it has held on for a pretty good time, so it's pretty good. I have also, I'll put a video where I took it fishing. Alright guys, so a trick of throwing your bait lure further away, you kind of want to make a nose circle and then release it. That will create momentum and make you throw it far, like this. It's a decent amount. I don't want to make a no. Let go. That works. And when I cast it, it casts pretty far, so that's another bonus to it. Before buying this whole fishing rod, I started because I bought a reel for this little ice fishing rod, and the reel I used to have with this one, the drag wouldn't work, so if I was to loosen my drag and the fish would start pulling on it, the drag would tighten up. So I decided to replace it with this Mr. Crappie, the slab shaker reel, and it worked really well. So I decided to buy the whole setup, the fishing rod and the reel. And for this, I use small hooks when I go pan fishing. See if the camera will focus. It's a really small hook, but if you're trying to catch panfish, bait fish, this will do the job. Alright, so the rod is 5 feet 6 inches, and like I said, it's a 2-piece, so if you have a car, you can just break it down, put it in your trunk. It's also, from what I read, it's just for fresh water, so if you're trying to use it for salt water, I read it and it says it's just fresh water, so take that into consideration. To cast it far away, what you want to do is you want to make a circle and then let go of your line. So you're going to try and do a whole circle and let go, and that will make you get momentum and allow you to throw your line further away. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to use a fishing rod, what you want to do is put your finger on the line like this, and then open your belt all the way up, and then just spin and let go, and that will allow you to cast far away. I like to use bobbers on mine because this, when you see the water ripple around it, that means you catch a fish or there's a fish around messing with your bait. And that's if you see it sink real fast, that means you have a big fish, so you have to set up your hook real fast, or you'll or that fish might swallow the whole hook, and when you try and take it out, you'll cause it to die. This is just a short little clip, so if it's beneficial to anybody, or if y'all want to see more videos of me using it to show you more, just comment below. If you have a different setup and you want me to try, just comment down below, and I hope it was helpful, guys, and see you next time. Peace.